So we are going to take out the blade and doing it safely. So these blades are super sharp, and you don't want to be putting your fingers in there, so get yourself a little tea towel and just pop it in so it's covering the blades like so, and that way you've got something safe to hold on to. Now you're going to lift your bowl and go underneath. You've got this little latch here, and if you remember the rule, left, twist left to loosen, okay, that releases that, and you have your blade safely removed. Okay, and the same principle, putting it back in. So this is useful for when you want to clean the bowl a little bit better. As you see, I need to give mine a little bit of a better clean, so I shall do that after. But we're going to pop the blade in just to show you how that's done. So again, just pop it back in, lift your bowl, turn it upside down, and the same little clip, and you want to pop that in, and this time we're going to the right, and it locks into place like so. And that is your blade nicely secured once more. So it's as easy as that, but do make sure you are using a good thick tea towel or something that gives you a bit of protection so you don't lose any fingers. Alright, so safety first, and all the best.